What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod, back with another video, and today I'm gonna hit up Goodwill, see what I can sell on eBay and on Poshmark. And hopefully today's a good day, because I wasn't able to go as early as I would like to go to some of these thrifts, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. But hopefully we can find some good stuff, so let's get into it. So as soon as I walked into this Goodwill, I came across this little pair of Keene sandals, and these are a size 1 in kids, and I usually get about 20 bucks for these, but I get a lot more when they are adult sizes, so definitely be on the lookout for Keene sandals. But they were asking 6 bucks for these, and I usually only get about 20, so I might pass on these sandals. Next, I found a pair of Nike Zoom Pegasus running shoes, and these were in really good condition, practically brand new, so I was definitely interested in picking these up until I went ahead and saw the price. So I'm definitely going to be putting these back because I'm not trying to spend that much money. Goodwill has definitely been tripping lately. Next, I found this Affliction tank top, and Affliction shirts usually sell for about 20 bucks for me, sometimes a little less. So I might give this one a shot since their tank tops are usually only 2 bucks. Next, I found this Polo Ralph Lauren. I actually found 2 of them. One was in a size small and one was in a size large. And I always tell you guys, I don't pick this brand up often, but larger sizes usually do better for me. So even though the blue one was really clean, chances are I'm probably going to pick up the larger one, only because this is just a better sell for me. And it's a long sleeve, so I'm pretty sure most people would be a little more interested in this. But we'll see. I usually don't even pick up Polo Ralph Lauren. Next was a very random brand for me. This was a Puma and Lysol collaboration. I don't know if this was vintage. I don't know if this was fake. I don't know what this was about. But who would have thought Puma and Lysol would have ever been on the same jacket? Now, don't get me wrong. The sleeves and the chest had that Puma logo, and that's kind of dope. But I can't see myself picking this up because that Lysol branding symbol on there is just really throwing me off. Now, this is something more my speed and something I haven't found in a little while. This is a Patagonia T-snap sweater, and I used to find a ton of these, but of course Patagonia is really big in my area, so I don't really find it as often as I used to, this particular sweater. But these usually sell for about 50, sometimes 60 bucks, and if you price it that high, you might have to wait for the right buyer to come along. So I might price mine closer to that $45 to $50 mark, but this is definitely really clean, and I'm glad I found it. Next, I found this Carhartt pair of shorts, and these were brand new with tags, and I usually get like 20 bucks for Carhartt shorts if it's used, so I might get 30 bucks since this is brand new with tags. But this was definitely a good find because I'm selling out shorts really quickly now, and believe it or not, summertime is not going to last that much longer, so I'm not trying to hold on to too many shorts, but something like this I can definitely pick up. Next, I found another pair of shorts, another pair of cargos, but these are actually Nike, and I never saw Nike cargo shorts before. And after checking the comps, I realized that these sell for about 25 to about 30 bucks on eBay. So I'm definitely going to pick these shorts up and probably price mine around that $25 mark, and hopefully they sell fast. Now, I usually don't pick up this brand unless it's the Hurley Phantom X shorts, but Hurley shirts usually don't sell for much. I don't know what this $95 price point was about. I don't know if that was like a garage sale price. Who knows? But the only reason why I'm looking at this is because it is brand new with tags. But drop a comment. Let me know if you guys do well with Hurley clothing besides the shorts. Now, this jacket was pretty dope. I actually sold one of these in the past in blue. It was like a packable windbreaker, and the pocket was the pouch for it. But this was a really bright colorway, so I'm not sure this will sell. So I might go ahead and pass on that. Next up, I came across 2 pairs of North Face hiking pants for women, and these were practically brand new without tags, because as I looked closer, it looked like the tags were literally just popped off of these. So I might go ahead and pick both of these up since they were in really good condition, and this is the season where people are usually going to be looking for these type of pants. And on eBay, they're selling for about 25 to 30 bucks, so definitely some good profit to be made. Hopefully they just sell quick, because this isn't something that I would want to hold in the inventory for too long. Next, I found a pair of Carhartt pants, and these are in really good condition, and this was a really good size. Size 40-34 usually sells pretty well for me. Like I say all the time, large sizes always sell best, so definitely be on the lookout for these Carhartt pants. Hopefully they'll sell anywhere between 30 and 35 bucks for me. But also, anytime you come across like any type of work pants, gotta check for stains and gotta check for holes, because they usually will have some signs of wear or some type of flaws on these. But these are in really good condition, so I was lucky. Now, I've been telling you guys, especially in my last video, I'm starting to pick up more mall brands because they do sell for a decent amount of profit. And this is a pair of J. Crew pants, and the price tag on these was originally 60 bucks. So I figured I could get at least maybe 30, 35 bucks for these on eBay or on Poshmark. And to be honest, brands like this is stuff I would pass on regardless whether it was brand new or not. But I'm definitely going to pick this one up and give it a shot, and hopefully it sells on Poshmark. Now, one thing that I'm trying to sell more of is hats and just ties and accessories. Now, when it comes to hats, you definitely got to know the brands, especially when it comes to vintage hats. And these two are not vintage, and they probably won't sell for any money for real. But I just wanted to kind of remind you guys, definitely check hats, check ties, and just be on the lookout for certain stuff like that. Because if you're like me, sometimes you might bypass it, but these stuff can definitely bring in some good money. So just before I left, I checked the blazer section and I came across this Express blazer, and it's the print that really stood out to me because it is a lightweight fabric, and blazers like this will definitely be selling from now until about the end of September. So I picked this one up, and it's in a relatively good size medium, not the best. If it was an extra large or double XL, it would have sold even better. But like I said, Express and other mall brands, they do sell well on Poshmark, and this is the type of stuff I've been adding to my Poshmark closet to just kind of bring in some more profit. So I'll pick this one up and see how it sells. Alright y'all, that's all I got for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Underrated. This lightning's causing thunder lately. So lend a heart with no repayment. My interest rate is lower, ain't it? Decide to auction off a